North Side, Shamrock, Greenleaf Records, Moderator Magazine. You know what I'm saying? We gotta do our thing, a little troubleshooting. Come on inside, check out Sound Revolution. This place is awesome. They got albums, they got sunglasses, they got all sorts of stuff. This place is jamming. How's it going?
Good.
I told you I'd bring you the new tickets.
Yeah.
Yeah, come check out some of the stuff they got.
On the wall.
They got jewelry. Awesome jewelry. They got the best saying shirts that you can come up with. The best saying shirt. They got all the shirts. You know what I mean? Some of the stuff is a little inappropriate, but hey, it's still awesome. And then of course, come back here. Shh. This is the best spot right here. There's no telling what goes on in this room. A lot of these pieces are really expensive, really awesome though. I used to have one of those. It broke. This guy DJ Chubbs, he broke it straight up. And then of course, we got the skate gear. You gotta get this. I got the incense. And then they got the skate gear. Any kind. You got little kids, little skateboard. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you gotta get the records. This album is an awesome album, straight up. This album right here is really good. And you gotta love Tool too. I mean, you gotta love Tool. Pantera, of course, Cowboys from Hell. I mean, you can't go without that. Sublime, the man is a genius, straight up. Awesome stuff. You gotta stick to Pink Floyd. Stick to your roots. Know your roots. Straight up, know your roots.
Your change?
Oh, dude. It's only $1, bro. You just tip her. She's doing what she does. Have a good day, homie.